The scheduling grid is where you plan out your programs. Each time you drag over a playlist, a new time slot is created. The time slot determines when your playlist will play. Select your start and end time, and the playlist duration will be calculated automatically. You can add more time slots by clicking the Add link. You can program up to 10 playlist time slots at a time, and when they overlap in the grid, their content will merge according to the option you select. The sequential merge option means that all the content of each playlist will be played in the order that they appear. The reordered option means the content will be merged according to the number of media items you wish to play. You must set the number of media items in the following column. If you select 3, the playlist will only play 3 items before moving on to the next stacked playlist. On the next pass, the next 3 items will play, and so on. Use the reorder value to determine if one playlist will play more content than the others, if there is an overlap. Time slots can also be deleted by clicking the X next to the number of the media field. When you're done, click OK to confirm your selections. Your new time slot will be added to the scheduling grid on the day you drop the playlist. If you wish to repeat the schedule over multiple days, right-click on the day and select Duplicate. There are 2 options available. Duplicate the current day and duplicate the entire week. Select Current Day if you want to repeat the same time slot for each day of the week. From shows the currently selected day. To shows the date 6 days from now. If you want to extend your schedule beyond that, click the calendar icon and select the end date. Note that you can extend your programming for months or years from the current date. To program different time slots on different days, or to show different content on weekdays and weekends, select the Duplicate Current Week option. You can select start and end dates if you wish to repeat your programming by clicking the calendar icon. The number of corresponding weeks and days will appear below. You can change the values in those fields directly. By default, all the time slots will be repeated for the entire week, but you can customize this as well. You can select days or specific time slots if you don't want to replicate the entire week. Don't forget to click Save to confirm your selection. You can modify the programming at any time by double-clicking on any date, and you can also use your mouse to change the start and end times of any time slot by dragging it over. Right-clicking on any day will bring up several options. Programming Preview lets you generate a report showing which content will play and at what time. New opens the time slot window and adds a new empty time slot you can use. This is like dragging over a playlist into the grid. Copy will copy the day's program so you can paste it on another day. You can also duplicate a single time slot by right-clicking it and then pasting it elsewhere. The Remove option lets you delete time slots from the grid. You can choose from current day, current week, or you can specify a time period. The Advertising option lets you add an advertising playlist. You should refer to the advertising playlist video for more information. The menu at the top of the scheduling grid window lets you perform many tasks. You can navigate forward and backwards in time using the week, month, and year settings. Click the left arrow to go back and the right arrow to go forward. Click the Current Wheel button to return to your current week view. Use the Zoom buttons to magnify or reduce the grid. The current day is indicated in gray, and the current time is indicated by a red line. The Preview button above the Zoom controls also opens the Program Preview window. Each time you complete your changes, select the players to update and click the Publish button to open the monitoring window and send out your new programming. This concludes our review of the scheduling grid. Be sure to visit www.navori.com for more information.